Hey guys, this is Blake and you're watching Beauty and Style Network, and today we're going to go over the top hair trends of 2021. Alright, starting with number 8 is extensions. So I feel like this trend has been in for a while. I love extensions. I think there's a lot of different ways to use them, a lot of different ones to choose from. I think they're great, especially for people that want length and don't really have it yet, or their hair is just not as thick as they want it to be. So I love this trend and I think it's here to stay. Number 7 would be curtain bangs. So curtain bangs are mostly for people that part their hair down the middle because the bangs form like a curtain around your forehead. So if you have a deep side part, I would say these aren't for you, but if you're like in the middle or off center, I think these would be perfect. I mean, they're fun. I don't think they're for everyone, but I think if you style them correctly and you are up for the commitment of styling them every day, I think they're great. Number 6 is the bob. I feel like this has been a trend for a long time. It's an easy haircut, a mom haircut. A lot of my moms come in after they have babies and they just want their hair chopped off, and it's a really fun, cute look, and it's really easy to maintain. Number 5 would be shaggy layers. This really goes along with like the shag. It's gonna be more choppy layers, something that's very movable. I think those are really fun, but you have to be able to style them every day. I feel like if you don't style shaggy layers, they might look a little choppy, but if you're up for styling them, they're beautiful. Number 4 goes along with number 5, and it's the shag. I think that one's really fun. I think if you're not careful, it can look like a mullet. But I think it's a super trendy look and I think it's fun. I would say the shag is a messy on purpose look. So if you are looking for a casual hairstyle, I would say the shag is for you. Number 3 would be a low maintenance haircut. And I would say that is something, just a long blunt cut with maybe some long layers. Something that when it grows out, you're not gonna need to come in every 6 to 8 weeks to get it trimmed up. Just very low maintenance and easy to deal with. A low maintenance haircut is perfect for ponytails and braids and anything that you want to do that's fun with your hair. This is a perfect haircut for that. Number 2 would be curly bangs. So any of my curly girls out there that wear their hair naturally curly every day, the curly bangs would be for you. They don't fall correctly all the time, just because if you have naturally curly hair and you create bangs, you never know what that hair is gonna do. You might get tighter curls where the bangs are just because that hair is shorter now and it wants to spring up. But for the most part, people love them. And coming in, number 1, I bet no one's surprised here. It's the mullet. The mullet. I don't have a lot to say about that one. It speaks for itself, I would say. I think it's a fad and I think it's finally going out, but it's fun. A lot of younger guys like it. It's been the football look, I would say. A lot of high schoolers want it. It's just fun, but I do think it's finally going out of style. But for right now, it's still number 1. Some awesome mullets I would like to shout out would be Morgan Wallen and Miley Cyrus. Their mullets are definitely number 1. All right guys, thanks for watching Beauty and Style Network. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you could ever pull off a mullet. Make sure to ring the bell and I'll see you next Wednesday. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna say with it. Messy look that's not messed up. You know what I'm trying to say? I can't think of the words. It's messy on purpose, that's good. But I love it. I think it's super fun. We could do Morgan Wallen and then Miley Cyrus. That makes it so much easier.